Go. Hey, more passion. More passion. More passion.
Oh my god. Is he actually? Oh my. Is Karen? Is this?
3, 2, 1, dance.
For a sleep addict, this is definitely an essential skill for getting some high-quality shut-eye.
A Lego Town event that's not open to...
He doesn't like the balloons when they're up.
Those. Because the cat is connected to the light.
All that to go, which I was bloody upset about. Oh no! What just happened?
Báilalo, Rocky. Ta, 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 ta.
Maya, what are you doing?
Good boy. Clever, Richmond.
Endo, put this in the garbage.
Smart dudes don't see success as a destination, but as a stepping stone to a higher purpose.
Все, хватит, я. Все, хватит рыть ямку, помогла маме, молодец.
Excuse me. No.
Did you bring me your toy?
Okay, I don't... Mango, look...
Certainly not.
My feeling always was you don't have the kid living in your house.
You can do something. Yeah, doing the first girl.
Adopting furballs this smart, you also got to accept that your stuff is going to...
O Jezu!
One time already catch people. Race for the ice limit.
Looks like someone is...
Oh, no.
Los que zapatos, sino.
And then how easy.
Me too. When I went on her page and seen her pictures, I said, "Oh."
Shouldn't have been playing with the rapper.
You want that? Too bad. Lauren, you sip ass.
Get rid of that dog. But are you petting him? Are you petting him? What?
I'm too high for my kids. I'm trying to have some time alone.
Bath.
People that love you. No, stop, please. Please stop. Don't stop. You know you want to go outside? Oh. Trying to help you. Miyuki, no.
This furbal's imagination is really vivid when finding this blue stuff a threat to you.
What do you think you're doing?
Então vamos começar. Tenta magicar as minhas orelhas.
What do good girls get? What do good girls get?
No snack. I'm sorry that you're mad. No snack. Snack later for lunch, okay? Not mad. No mad.
Hey, buddy. What you doing?
Jax, you a good boy. Jax is such a good.
You and I are so much alike, it's sick.
Oh, how cute is that?
That's a good kitty, I say as I pet on Kitty.
No. I'm.
Even get up there.
Up to your eyeballs. Oh.
Huh?
Treat.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Me vio sentada aquí y ella se quiso sentar.
Helping? No, someone just wants to satisfy their obsession with observing everything from above.
You have different procurement requirements in the city of Irvine, California.
Doesn't matter what the machine actually does. If it saves a few steps, you'll take it, huh?
Y no está muerto, está durmiendo. Miren. Firulais.
Luna.
Oh my.
As fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck. When you're constantly on high alert, even the air feels like a personal threat.
Are you? Hey, Steven! You hungry? Yeah, you gonna exercise first then? Cool!
I am holding a letter. This is to my love, the most beautiful person I've never seen. It's this.
Yeah!
Okay.
How scary can a smart one get when hungry? Like this.
I want to get a picture of you and Nancy with it. Nancy! Pose with it. Give it a kiss. Nancy!
If
跑得好快。
All right. Hold up. Hey, I don't want to wear it. Get back. Get back. I don't want to wear it. Get in the back. Get in the back.
Oh, sei morta. Ti ha sparato quella lì? Sì.
Come on, this thing isn't even showing a sign of moving, my Mr. Coward.
In here.
Them or
Dude, Wait till you see the. No, 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 no.
Dennis, I don't want that.
Is this cute? Don't you like it?
The most useful hobby when there are no scissors at home.
El diablo, loco, un gato con un pantalón, manito. Con un pantalón.
So, today, Joe.
Oh my perfection, Lacey! You are so good!
ตรงนี้ นี่ นี่ ให้วางไว้ตรงนี้ เปียกน้ำ นี่ ที่จะให้วาง ที่มันเอา
Go ahead. Did you just do that by yourself?
Yeah.
Think I like this little life.
Buddy's teasing Bestie on the leash disguised as companionship, but hard to prove it.
Archie, that is the
Why? Why have you got my undies on your head, you bark of crap?
Sometimes you're also chosen as a quiet space for them to ponder the meaning of life. These two geniuses are like, so that's it. That's all there is to this lame game.
Sí, señores, va Modric, va, habilita a Vinicius, va Vinicius, vino para Benzema.
I just got in somewhere.
Look at me.
Boy's eating. Titus in his typical pose. He stands.
Scents might make someone shocked, but definitely not the smell of a cucumber, buddy. See anything, buddy? Because all we see is the start of a failed mirror test.
Here. How about here? There? Okay.
Yeah.
The dog's after knowing, watch out for your food bowl. Your time will come.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
There's a better way to do that. Yeah.
Not sure how you carried that up, but must be some real brain work to save the muscles, huh? Our smart buddy hits different. Moving house feels effortless than ever.
¿Quién fue el primer presidente de... Señor, no hay necesidad de que se ponga...
Have a good time.